If you're looking for a real way to start making money online, this video is for you, because in this video I'll be holding you by the hand and I'll be showing you a business model that actually works, and you can actually copy this business model and impute the work, do the work, and you start earning results, getting results, which is money from this business model. Now, if you're not ready to put in the work, if you're not ready to do what you need to do to actually get these results, this video is not for you. It's actually a business model. This is not you clicking a few buttons and making thousands of dollars off it. You've seen those videos every day, you watch those videos, but in this particular video, that is not what I want to that's not what I want to show you. I actually want to show you how you can actually make real money by building a real business, even as a broke beginner. I've been a broke beginner and I've done a few things, and this is one of the things I've actually done, and I've actually made money off it. And in this particular video, I will be walking you through and I'll be showing you everything that you need to know step by step. Now, I'm going to introduce myself before I even get on to tell you the whole stuff. My name is Ebenezer Link, and what I do on this particular channel, The Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now, what that is going to do is that once I get videos and I drop these videos for you, you get notified and you get to put into action what I show you in my videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the main video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing? What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be providing solution to people's problems, right? And I'm going to give us an instance, and this will help us figure out a few other things out. One of the problems that people have, I too have this problem, is that I want to reduce my power consumption. The amount I pay on electricity bill is actually very high, and the reason is because of the gadgets that I use, such as my iron, the AC, the fan. So what I want is any gadget that can actually give me solve the particular problem, but reduce the amount I spend on electricity. So iron is one of the problems we're going to be using as a tool that solves the problem. So the normal iron consumes a lot of electricity, but then there is an iron, electric iron, pressing iron, that actually drains like 300 watts, which is very little compared to the normal iron. It's called inverter iron. Now, I want to use it to actually reduce my power consumption. Okay, so the people who also use inverter, who also use solar, now they also want to reduce the power consumption, because if you have a lot of things plugged into your solar, it's going to pull it down, it's going to drain the battery down, kill the battery faster. So how do I come in here? How do you come in here? You sell a product to them that solves their problem, which is power consumption. So sell an iron that promises to reduce power consumption and also doesn't burn their clothes. So this is a good thing about this iron. First thing, you're providing solution for two things right now. This one doesn't burn your clothes. This one reduces the power consumption. You are still iron, you get the results, but then power is less consumed. So you're selling the product, right? So now I'm going to show you how to get the products that you're going to sell, a physical product, sell it, provide a solution, and I'm also going to show you how to sell it. That is the most important thing. Now, before I continue, I'm actually using the word provide solution because you really need to provide a solution. If you buy products that do not sell, that do not provide people solution, the products will be with you. You will not sell this product, you run ads, and then at the end of the day, you're not going to sell this product. Talking about running ads, in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to organically sell your products and how to also sell your products through the paid method. That is what we're going to cover in this video. Remember, first, you're actually going to make a lot of money with this, but you need to put in the work. Alright, so let me tell you now how to get this particular product, because that's the first thing. To get this particular product, you can actually go to your market, to the market, to get this product. It's in the markets around you, in the big markets around you. These products are there, but they are sold at cheap price. Now, people do not also want to leave their house. People want something to get delivered to them. It's a Gen Z generation. So people usually want to actually stay from their home, make orders, and get it delivered to them. So all you have to do is be in between the gap, get those products from the market, sell to them. Now, since I'm using this iron as an example, the iron in the big markets here in my area, you can actually get it for 18,000 naira. 18,000 naira. That's how much you can get the iron. But currently, the Grand Academy is selling that iron for 30,000 naira for one online. Do the maths, right? Do the maths. That's a lot of money now. So if you sell 100 pieces, you're making cool money. Still do the maths in your head, right? And that is why I said it's a proper business. So you're not just going to sell iron, you're still going to sell other things that provide solutions to people's needs. To your local markets, buy it at a cheap rate, sell it online at a high rate. The difference is your profit. The difference is how you make 0 to 100k, 0 to 500k doing this. Now, how do you sell this? Now, I'm going to start from the biggest one, right? And I'm going to talk about the other ones as we continue. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to create an advert video of the product you want to sell. So this product, I want to sell this particular product. This is an airport. So I make a video around the particular product that I want to sell. That is how I actually sell, right? Written or just graphic contents can actually work, but videos work better for me, right? So I make a video around this particular product explaining the benefits of this product. Now, let me give you a particular secret. If you're gonna learn about the fears people have around some and work on it, you're going to make a lot of money. I'm going to talk about one of the products we sold. It was a slim tea. People who are, yes, you actually get, they actually think that they are not accepted for the way they actually think that they think they're not accepted. And if you can actually, based on their fear, tell them they can be accepted, sell with fear, you get to the point where you sell your product. Talk about the benefits, sell them their fears, sell them the benefits, and you actually get something of it. So now, you make a video. The first thing that I just said is you make a video around the product you want to sell. That is the first thing, make a video around the product you want to sell. The second thing is that you create landing page for the product. You create a landing page for the product. You made a video for it. You create a landing page for the product. I'm not going to walk you through and tell you about how to create a landing page in this video. So if you actually want to know how to create a landing page that sells, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description section of this video. I'm going to send that, and I'm going to put a video there explaining how you can actually create a landing page that converts, because not all landing page converts. Oh, some persons don't know what landing page is. Now, what is a landing page? It's actually like your shop where you put in some products, and yes, but this is landing page. Now you put in products to just sample it and also write a few things about the products that you're sampling. You can in that same landing page, you will have a checkout box that people can actually put in their details. You collect their details with this landing page, and then you send them the product. They buy the product online, and then they pay. You send them the product. Landing page. So now, how does a landing page and a video work for you? You can actually use this to advertise on different platforms like Facebook and TikTok. I'm actually going to recommend Facebook and TikTok since you're starting out. You can actually sell on Facebook and TikTok by running ads. Paid method now, and I said it's the biggest stuff, right? And it works very, very fast. Then the organic one takes a lot of time. Let's continue with the paid method. So now, you run ads on Facebook using that particular video, and then you put in the link to your landing page in the video. Now, again, in my Telegram channel, I'm actually going to drop a video showing you guys how to run ads on your product. You get that now? So, get to my Telegram channel and you get to see this. Alright, so that is this for this one. Now, people watch the video, click on the link, buy the product. That is it. Now, I'm going to give you a warning before I continue to talk about those things. Don't depend on your WhatsApp contacts to buy products from you. Don't depend on your WhatsApp contacts to buy products. They may not really buy those products from you. 80% of the chances that they will not buy product from you. 80%. With usually strangers that get to buy from you. So now, if you don't want to do the paid method, you want to run ads because you're going to spend a few bucks running these ads. If you don't want to run ads, you can actually start creating content around the products you're selling. Creative content, actually. Be creative about it. Creative content, and post on your Facebook page. Create a page, create content, maybe do also graphics works. Post on your page, on your TikTok page too. Consistently, you're going to make sales, but it's going to take a while for you to start actually getting engagement and sales. You can actually sell on your Facebook page. That one really works. Now, that is it for Facebook. So now, this one here is Jumia.com. You can buy those products from your local shop and then upload it and create an account with Jumia and start selling on Jumia. So another place you can actually get an account and sell, it works really good for Nigerians, is gg.ng. But let me tell you how this one works. You're going to need to have a competitive price. So you're not going to be profit oriented. So if others are selling for 30,000 naira, you might be selling for 28, or maybe selling for 25. So at the end of the day, you're not really making a lot of profits, but you're going to be making sales. So you're going to work on the turnover. So you sell, you have a turnover, a huge turnover. So instead of just listing one product on Gigi, you can list as many products as you can on Gigi. That is it, basically. Find a product that solves people's problem. Go and sell this product on different platforms, which I've actually explained to you. And like I said, if you want to learn how to do the things I've mentioned, how to create a landing page that converts, you want to learn how to run Facebook ads, click on the link that is in the comment section or description. Join my Telegram channel where I will explain all of these things to you, or where it's explained. I may not really be the one to explain it, but it will really be explained in the Telegram channel. That is it, and that is how you can actually build a proper business that works here in Nigeria, and you can actually earn a lot of money from it.